Using public transport. Should we take the bus or the subway later?
I would take the subway. It's much faster than the bus.
Oh, really? We are leaving around 5 p.m. It will be rush hour and really busy on the subway.
You're right. I don't really like being in the subway during rush hour. It's always so crowded and hot.
I agree. The heat is terrible. Let's take the bus, okay?
Is there a bus stop close by?
There is one just down the road. And, if I remember correctly, an express bus stops there too.
You mean number 8. Don't you have to transfer with it?
No. It goes directly to Somerset. It won't even be that much longer than the subway. Especially with the new public transit lane.
I totally forgot about that lane. Only taxis and public transport can drive on it, right?
Yes. It opened a couple of weeks ago and works well so far.
It's decided then. We are taking the bus. At the hairdresser's. Good afternoon. Do you have any openings today for a haircut?
Yes, you're in luck. If you want to, I have one right now.
That would be great.
What are you looking to have done today?
I would like a wash and cut, please.
Certainly. Let's move over to the sinks. Do you have any preference for shampoo and conditioner?
No, you can choose whatever you think is best.
All right. I need you to look straight ahead now for the cut. Where do you normally part your hair?
On the left side.
How much do you want me to take off? And maybe a couple of layers too.
Maybe around 3 inches, and some layers sound good.
Of course. Would you like your hair to be blow-dried?
Could you blow dry it and also straighten it a bit?
All done. What do you think?
I love it. It looks great. Thank you very much.
Buying a phone. Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I would like to buy a new phone.
Great. You've come to the right place. Are you looking for anything in particular?
Yes. I would like a phone with a good camera and battery life.
We have a couple of different models that would fit that description. How much would you like to spend?
Between $200 and $300.
Would you like your phone to be unlocked or with a carrier?
Unlocked, please.
In this case, we have 3 phones available.
What's the difference?
They are pretty similar. This one is a little more pricey, but also has better battery life. The black one has more storage, and the gray one is the cheapest.
I will take the first one then. Thank you.
Driving a car.
Thanks for practicing how to drive with me.
No worries. How many times have you been driving so far?
It's the 5th time. I went driving last week too.
How do you like it so far?
It's still a little confusing, especially driving in the city.
Even for me, the city can sometimes be stressful with bikers, pedestrians, and traffic.
Traffic is the worst. And one-way lanes. I always miss the turn and then have to go around the whole block.
Have you driven at night and on the highway already?
I drove at night but not on the highway yet. Speed is a little intimidating.
Driving fast can be really fun, especially with a manual car.
One day, I would also like to learn how to drive a manual, but for now, it is difficult enough to drive this automatic.
Once you are comfortable with the automatic, I will teach you driving stick.
I owe you. Thanks again, Ashley.
A car accident. You just hit my car? Are you blind? Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? I didn't see you. I think I'm okay. I hit my head pretty hard. We should call an ambulance and the police. Yes, please do that. You really damaged the back of my car. Let me take some pictures. I'm so sorry again. My insurance will cover all the damage. I have full coverage. I am happy to hear that. What did the police say? They will be here shortly. Let's wait for them and see what to do next. We should move behind the barrier and wait for them away from the road. Good idea. Enough accidents for one day.
At the train station. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I would like to take the train to New York City.
One way or round trip?
One way, please.
That's $12, and the next train leaves in 15 minutes.
Is there a later one?
Yes, there is also one at 2:30.
Thank you. I'll take the later one. What platform does the train leave from?
It leaves from platform 3. Just turn right here and go straight.
Thank you.
You're welcome and safe travels.
Going to the museum. Have you ever been to the Natural History Museum?
No, I haven't. Why?
Do you want to go? I've been wanting to go for a while now.
What exhibitions are on display right now?
They have a new one about dinosaurs, and I think the one about Greek artifacts is still there too.
I do like dinosaurs. How much is the admission fee?
I'm not sure. I think it's $10. Do you want to go?
Sure. Why not? But we should get an audio guide so we actually know what we are looking at.
We could also go on the guided tour. They offer one hourly.
I prefer the audio guide. This way you can go at your own pace and enjoy the exhibits you're looking at.
Let's go tomorrow then.
Looking forward to it.